Dragon Zap's affiliate program is here, and it couldn't be simpler. You earn 10% commission on every sale and every repeat sale from customers you introduce to the platform. Just create your free account, share your personal link, and start earning right away.
Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create your API key and install the Dragon Zap Affiliate WordPress plugin on your website. This plugin lets you automate course marketing and start earning commissions effortlessly. First, make sure you're on your affiliate dashboard. Scroll down and fill out the blog scope request form to request blog access. Once approved, you'll be able to publish your WordPress posts directly to the Dragon Zap blog. Each time someone clicks your post and later purchases a course, you'll earn money automatically. You can skip this step if you want to just advertise our courses on your blog and do not want to share your blog posts with us. Next, you need to create an API key. You can select all the scopes you want. By default, all eligible scopes are checked. You will only be able to check the Manage Blog scope once you are approved for blog creation. After filling out the blog scope request form above, once you have your API key, copy it and store it for later. We will now download the WordPress plugin. Scroll up and access the WordPress plugin guide. Now select Download Plugin. Once the plugin zip file has downloaded, head over to your WordPress website and go to the Plugins page. Press Add Plugin, then Upload Plugin. Select the plugin zip file and upload it. Press Activate Plugin. Now the plugin is installed. We need to modify the plugin settings to use the API key you stored earlier on WordPress. Head over to Settings, then Dragon Zap Affiliate. Here you can paste your API key, then press Save Changes. Finally, press Test Connection to ensure your API key is working. Excellent. Your API key is working. Let's uncheck the Automatically Append Widget to Posts checkbox, as I will show you how to manually customize the widgets so they work well with your WordPress template. Head over to Appearance, then Editor, and scroll through the templates until you find Single Post. Next, press the plus icon and search for Dragon. You will then find Dragon Zap Related Course and Dragon Zap Single Course. Click and drag Dragon Zap Related Courses into your template and press Save. You have now modified your single post template. Posts on your WordPress website will now display Dragon Zap courses. You can test this by going to your post and pressing View. There we go. Dragon Zap courses displayed and advertised. Next, I will show you how to publish your WordPress blog post on Dragon Zap. Start by editing an existing post. Clicking the black Settings button, scrolling down, and you will see Send the Post to Dragon Zap. Make sure it is checked. Select Create New Profile. You will then be prompted to create a blog profile on Dragon Zap. Once created, select a Dragon Zap category and save your post. This will automatically post your WordPress blog post on Dragon Zap. Any courses bought after clicking your blog post will result in you making money. Thanks for watching this installation video.